Hi and welcome to LearnTech case study on business process redesign. This is an amazing story of a company which reduces its onboarding time for new hires from a 10-day to a 0 to keep up with business pressures with the help of digital learning. It's a real-life case study of how going digital is turning the traditional wisdom on its head. HCL Infosystem is a leading services and distribution company with massive employee base. HCL hires new employees across divisions and provides rigorous classroom training to get them up to speed. Current program takes more than 10 days. The challenge: new hire trainings for individual divisions were led by division HR or training teams. Consolidating dashboard across divisions was a manual effort. There was a clear synergies that all divisions could enjoy from content and delivery perspective. The time currently being spent on the new hire onboarding could be reduced from 10 days. But given the fact that the laptops were not assigned immediately to new employees, it would prove to be a challenge even when the new hire training was digitized. The solution: HCL team came up with an innovative solution to solve their problem. They worked with us to create a gamified online version of their new hire training that can be delivered across divisions through a link which was on the internet, not on their private network. Links to this training was sent to selected employees who would complete this training as a pre-joining formality. Impact: a unified new hire experience was created for all new hires joining the company across divisions. A more engaging product was able to capture the imagination of the new hires. It delivered higher recall and created a premium image for the company right at the start. It replaced a major part of the 10-day classroom training program, freeing the internal HR and training and business resources from monthly engagement. And with a custom learning management system in place, the management was able to get intelligence into the performance of different new hires before they joined the company. Here is what the client had to say about us. LearnTech's gamified new hire experience really captured the imagination of our new hires, and it helped us achieve our vision of reducing the onboarding time. LearnTech was very flexible in the inputs we gave them, and they were able to draw out a learning management system that met our complex reporting needs, effectively solved our concern of content security, and created a unique registration system that various training leads could customize at their end. We recommend LearnTech as a truly worthy partner for digital content delivery.